Hi guys, today I'm gonna let you know how to extend your battery in the iPhone. Meanwhile, using your phone, just how to save your battery actually once it's drained quickly. Just jump into setting and scroll down. There is an option tab on privacy. So there is first option location services. Tap on that one and then scroll down. As you can see, there is a lot of apps which they're using your location while using some of them never. So actually you can just scroll down. So that's always actually you can see there is a Google map which is continuously using your services location actually is working with GPS. So what I recommend to you, what you guys do, just tap turn it off. That's location services. Location services will be disabled for all apps, but your personal location service setting for apps will be temporarily restored. If you use Find My iPhone to enable lost mode, once that one is going to be work, so let's turn off. So once it's going to be turned off, it's going to be save your battery life, and also it's going to be extend your battery life too. So it's mean your battery is going to be long last your iPhone. So that's the hack for today. If you want to watch more, you can just subscribe my channel and press the bell icon. You can get more videos every